Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to number pages in Google Documents. In Google Docs, adding page numbers is an easy task. And for those who already know where they want the page numbers to appear on the page, it should be quick to finish too. Open Google Documents. Click on Insert at the top tools bar. Choose Page Numbers from the list. You will see 4 options: top right corner minus title page, bottom right corner, and bottom right corner minus title page. Click on the option that you need. If you want to edit the number, double-click on it. Make the necessary changes. If you don't see the option that you need, you can set the page numbers yourself. Click on Insert at the top tools bar. Choose Page Numbers from the list. Click on More Options. A new window will open. Go to Numbering. Check Start At option. Type the number that you need. Go to Position and choose if you want the number to appear in the header or the footer. Click on Apply. The page numbers will then be added in the place you specified. If you want, you can format your page numbers with the bold, italics, underlining, and font style tools. Alternatively, you can choose page count instead of page number. This will add a number, which will be the total number of pages currently contained within the document, to wherever your cursor is positioned. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!